150 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the world. Imagine a mad scientist shoves you into a time machine, forcing you to pick a Mesozoic era. Many choices could end in instant death, but steer clear of 150 million years ago. This was the late Jurassic, a golden age for supersized sauropods and ferocious theropods, where dinosaurs reigned with terrifying power. Even without them, land, oceans, and skies hid deadly secrets. Welcome to a world where survival was a gamble you'd likely lose. Earth's layout was a stranger's puzzle. North America faintly resembled today, but south sprawled Gondwana supercontinent, fusing South America, Arabia, India, Antarctica, and Australia, covering 1/6 of the planet, a colossal landmass from space. Laurasia, made of Europe, Greenland, and parts of Asia, was a water-fractured island realm, unrecognizable now. Europe sat closer to North America, China nestled by Iran and Turkey, far from India, geographic maze. Oceans offered clarity. The ancient Tethys, over 100 million years old, swelled with tectonic shifts, flooding Laurasia, while the younger Pacific dominated the west. The Atlantic, a budding sea, warmed global waters to 32.1 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 25%. Hotter than today, even 17 degrees Celsius, 63 degrees Fahrenheit, deep driven by volcanoes like Tamu Massif. 600 kilometers east of Japan, towering twice Mount Street. Helen's Height spewing CO2 and acid. Land averaged 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 15% warmer than now. With deserts and savannas gripping both hemispheres, plagued by severe droughts. Near the equator, North Africa bloomed with tropical forests. But the mildest zones were polar regions, temperate, ice-free lands like modern Central Europe buzzing with life. Even harsh equatorial biomes thrived, none more iconic than the Morrison Formation. Stretching across 13 U.S. states with arid savannas, dense forests, and floodplains, home to over 40 dinosaur species in a chaotic dance of survival. And what a cast of characters they were. Theropods led the charge. Allosaurus, the lion of the Jurassic, with razor-sharp teeth and a slashing bite, claimed 75% of Morrison carnivore remains. At 8.5 meters, 28 feet, and 1.7 tons, it hunted solo or in packs. But Saraphoganax, a 5-ton Allosaurid, reigned supreme, equaling 4 giraffes. Megalosaurs, Torvosaurus, and Edmarca rex, at 4 to 5 tons, joined the fray, while Ceratosaurus, polar bear-sized, relied on agility. Smaller Tanacolagrius and early Tyrannosauroids filled niches. Surviving droughts through cannibalism and scavenging small size meant lower calorie needs, but sauropods peaked here. Camarasaurus, the West's most abundant, led a caste including Diplodocus, Supersaurus, Barosaurus, Brontosaurus, Apatosaurus, Atosaurus, 70 tons. Globally, Gondwana hosted Giraffatitan and Brachiosaurus, Europe had Oceanoteuton, and Asia's Yangchuanosaurus, 3.4 tons, rivaled Torvosaurus. These giants shaped ecosystems, but droughts drove violence, fossilizing tales of theropod clashes and scavenged bones. Skies belonged to pterosaurs like Ramphorhynchus, with a 3.6-meter, 12-foot wingspan, possibly hunting smaller kin. Archaeopteryx, magpie-sized, pioneered powered flight, a paleontological gem. Auchins bred nightmares. Plesiosaurs, with flat bodies and flippers, spanned the globe. Pliosaurs, with short necks and massive skulls, outdid extinct Liopleurodon with 10-meter. 33-foot, 5-ton adults preying on sharks. Theosaurs, down from Triassic giants, reached 7 meters, 23 feet, filling niches. Marine crocodilians like Dicosaurus and Macamosaurus, ichthyosaur-sized, sheared flesh from fish. Plesiosaurs and turtles. This world was a death-trapped. Droughts, predators, and heat offered no mercy. Could you outlast it? Share your survival plan below. Subscribe to Extinct Bones for more Mesozoic mysteries. Next, the ocean's terrors.